Life is short, but most of us live as if we have an infinite supply of time. The reality? The average human lives for just 30,000 days. That's it. If you're 30 years old, over 11,000 of those days are already gone. Used up. Forever. Do you remember childhood summers? They felt like an eternity. A single day was a whole world. But now, years pass like months. This isn't just a feeling, it's biology. Your brain measures time through new experiences. As a child, everything was a first. Your brain was on high-speed record mode, capturing every detail. But today, same commute, same tasks, same screen. Your brain has seen it all before, so it stops recording to save energy. It simply edits out your daily routine. This is called time blindness. The good news is, you can hack your perception of time. You can make life feel longer by forcing your brain to pay attention again. Take a different route to work. Learn a new skill every single month. Talk to a stranger. Every new experience forces your brain back into record mode. And suddenly, time stretches out once more. Start recording again. Because the best time to truly live isn't someday, it's today.